How were your lovely days, everybody? Hope things are going well for you. Things are doing okay here. Never mind the kickstarting. Poor idle. This bike's not tuned. But yeah, I wanted to make a quick video, quick vlog, tell you guys what's up. Basically, if you don't catch me on Facebook, or haven't seen on Facebook already, some of the things that I've been doing. Picked up 2 motorcycles. Picked up 2 motorcycles for $125. Now, I mean, it was kind of an impulse buy, but you can't really pass up 2 motorcycles for $125. They are 1980 something, maybe 81 or late 70s, I can't remember. Kawasaki 440 LTDs. Pretty old bike, kind of a cool looking bike if you're into the, I guess, touring or old roadsters or whatever. But I've got big plans for it for this series, so you're going to be seeing them on the channel pretty soon. That'll be pretty awesome. Aside from that, if you're not into the whole motorcycle building, this weekend we got Friday, or not Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday is going to be a little mini ride. Probably not that many people, if any at all, are going to show up because kind of did it impromptu. But a little group ride on Saturday afternoon, and Sunday is going to be the first race of the season that I'm hosting. It's going to be the first race of the season. It's going to be at Cherry Valley Motorsports Park at Lafayette, New York. So if you're new to the moped thing, or you don't know anything about mopeds, or you want to get out on track but you're afraid to do it on your motorcycle, I really suggest that you come to this event, even if you're not going to race, just to see what it's about. Really, it's just a bunch of friends and I from here, the Northeast area. A lot of them come out from Boston, a couple from Pennsylvania, and we go out and race on this little go-kart track on our mopeds. Now, it might sound silly, but going fast on a slow bike is actually a huge challenge, and if you've never done anything like mini GP before, this will test your abilities not only as a rider but as a tuner. So if you want to get in, it's on Sunday, $35. We open at 8 in the morning at Cherry Valley. No, it's not Cherry Valley, New York, it's Lafayette, New York. So what you could expect to see are stock bikes, modified bikes such as this one, out there on the track racing. There will be inspections, so no weird, funky falling off parts stuff. This bike will be ready by then. You see super mopeds, super scooters, super motorbikes, just about anything under 100cc. So if you want to come out, feel free. You don't even have to race. You can just check it out, see what it's about. This will be the first one of the season. The major one is on October 29th to the 30th. So that's the weekend. Not October, sorry, August 29th to the 30th. And that will be a whole camping thing, full practice day and full race days. So if you can't make it to this one, be sure to come out to the next one, definitely. There's 4 classes. Let's see, there's stock, and it's as close to stock as possible, so these bikes are going to be like 30 miles an hour or less. Non-variated up to 75cc. So you can have any single speed or 2-speed bike that is not using a CVT or dual variated. And variated up to 75cc. That's any bike that has a CVT, single variated or dual variated transmission. So your Motobecans, your Peugeots, Derbies, I think Batavis as well, you're all allowed. And the last class is unlimited. Any bike under 99cc, 2-stroke. There will be exceptions for this class, just because there aren't usually a lot of people who have anything that's 2-stroke 99cc or less. But bring your bike, even if it doesn't fit in a class and you want to come, bring your bike, we'll fit it in. Obviously if it's outclassing all the classes, then you might have to do something special. But we just want you to come out and have fun. Another quick thing, if you haven't already, subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, and if you're part of the drawing after I reach 100 subscribers, you can possibly win a Trail Tech Vapor. So definitely check that out, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And see you guys later.